Bedtime. Everybody else is at home watching The Simpsons or fucking some other shit or Game of Thrones. And you're all here being rock and roll motherfuckers, yeah. Because you know where life's at. It's not about all that shit in Beverly Hills and motherfucking shit. It's like you guys are here on the worst night enjoying rock and roll, and we thank you so much. Alright, here's another song. With a written and you touch them up and you ask them up for who you were.